Alright, so pretty much this is just like the veggies that I use in the chickpea curry. We just have some white onion and probably about like a fourth of a white onion, and then five sweet peppers because bell peppers are GMO from what I found, and we have some thyme, some thyme, some oregano that we're gonna throw on top of the onions when we're sauteing them, and then some rosemary, so that way we have like a nice savory flavor, and then probably about 3-4 spring onions or green onions. So, and that's just what we're looking like for the veggies for the chickpea curry. Then we add some cilantro fresh, which I'll probably show you later, but yeah. Okay, now that we have our onion sauteing, I'm gonna go over here and get these herbs. Should be some thyme, oregano, rosemary. Gonna throw all those on top right here. It's fine if they mix in, of course, because you'll want to mix them in later. But yeah, you just want to have those on top and then stir it in whenever you feel like it's necessary. You want the onions to be translucent and really fragrant. Then from there, I like to add in the peppers, the sweet peppers, and yeah.